Thursday, time for our Thursday talk, and today the importance about reaching out to your tribe. Look, I'm not gonna lie to you, running a business as a woman is not for the faint-hearted. It's not always a smooth ride, and there are some obstacles that will come on your way. More than once, I have to admit that I thought, I'm just gonna go back to corporate and I'm gonna leave it for what it is. But look, hey, that's now 20 years ago. So I think I've been doing really well. But at moments like that, at moments that you feel that you're not good enough, that you question yourself, what am I doing? What on earth has gotten into me to just create my own business? That's moments where you need to reach out to your tribe, where you need to reach out to women who actually know what you're going through, that will say, I know, I've been there, and I know exactly what you're talking about. Reach out to your tribe.